I idea search view be more quaba ediba exposed yes in no Ghana and beyond. I and they acquire the weekday, na yasha say freshly on Monday make a chair say onyankopon enhyira wo wanya okese e wo bibia o bia won hyira so se we bie video ya ko ba behwe me dem sire onyankopon hyira ne yie di akwan onbo ho ban enkosi se na wotwi ebekọ ne wie na monim se edu weekends get news bi every round Monday no dim so bia sa weekend issue no ene ebeka wan say Monday na wonim videos and issues are basic fresh. Now, when and I may say, issue where me beke bia me say no to Galamsey. Even comment that for me. Na me ni bet you won't be brave. Now, asema abetu biano etre say, Anas are me yaw Anas and the tiger eye and then the tiger eye upon for we investigation on corrupt issues concerning Ghana. And they do also a concern na every other part of Africa otumi yere no risking life ekoye investigation na or the issue be abase ya kasa bebre ya ranti bebre about Galamsey and Anas Aremeyaw Anas why investigation wo be kire the top notch people or omo Galamsey even na hyase ni na wie ni na yenya ready on this Saturday amene oti amene wo kase ene numere ya Anas Aremeyaw Anas obie this November 14th obie our international conference center then the chile say ye be expose iti no so what or ticket to so you free whatever it is no and ye be show expose no na when na ekos utumu say anytime you obey san we have top notch people who are involved na Anas Edi video ni betu na statement betu o eche se obey expose no international conference center. On no occasions no otua eye unina ni onkofo mu ti sa ho na no. Na this time on call no ye increase ade no by 30%. Fee no de be hold that center no kwa no ye increase it by 30%. Nanso waye sanwoma we na area fe de otati call fe penfo a omuso omumpene e ma no enye show no e wo. Now we and I'm ready at the amount. I say press release 13th November. That was just this Sunday. Galamsey economy expose. I read Accra International Conference Center prevent Tiger Eye from using venue for public showing. Tiger Eye PI has taken note of communication from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and regional integration on the above subject matter, reversing earlier decision not to allow us show our latest documentary there. We have agreed to go ahead with the public screening of the upcoming undercover investigative work titled Galamsey Economy this Monday and Tuesday 14th and 15th November 2022 at the AICC, Accra International Conference Center. Also, we appreciate the intervention by the Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, Honorable Shelley Ayeko-Botwe. We, however, wish to point out that whilst the Minister was busy intervening, her Deputy Kweku Ampachum Sapon and some workers at the Flagstaff House were busy engaging in needless propaganda. Tagai affirmed that we were denied use of the place barely 48 hours to the public screening. We had already paid in full of initial cost and also made additional payment via check when AICC increased the cost of the venue by 30%. We also want to place on record that Tiger IPI does not sell tickets for public screening. It is free. Tiger Eye also uses electronic medium to broadcast its investigative work all the time. It also does public screening from time to time. The busian for na the Anas Aremeyaw Eddie Abetua no portrait. Say I at the end of the day, Shelley Ayeko-Botwe ni na pound for almost share sad institutions in no aman ho kwan. Now so ni ye wonkofo bi omo hyase a omo de omo ye propaganda. Omo dwen ni nan say whatever this guy is coming to do, at least it will expose some top notch. Because top notch, I want to say, expose if on the beer, the anwaka, and a penny for the movie, your politicians, the movie, your pumping in the movie, your chum media phone in other. Captain Smart has to go to the BNI, NIB, BNI, and then from NIB, or common change your investigation and you rate me a journal. I am saying, all because they are talking, said the people at the high hierarchy in this country, are involved into Galamsey. Does this show say, oh man, no share some propaganda on this issue? And as I remember, basic about say aden and kofobi and okre any movie because anas I remember I expose. There is no day I stopping and I catching say emane and you bibia. Na we ebe tu na ndra enkofo kasa enkofo complain ai onyankopon ni mopa onyankopon na ehwemo onyankopon ni mo betipa de mo ye no na enkofo kasa and still and do the few hours and some real a post this press release no 9 hours later and a few hours later and about no be post this we are still going to broadcast this and or the better to trailer the better to say yes it will still be going on at the Accra International Conference Center. I now say ye pro at the end and so if they are looking for a new venue and a new location, then they mean because or some posted previous later or show Accra International Conference Center. It mean any other venue or Sadia about. I was for NCWO when you be because we pay and I may I may say dear as some ever a training. Eno hu sene nsem no ebe de ebegu mana nenim ase ana ebe ha no utumu se anas expose we are all willing to watch ye nina ye haste because se eba ye ba be show on social media ye ba be show online ye be hu on TV so ye be hu de akoso enkofo de om phone betwa after say ye hu video no people will see what is going on de akoso nina ye be hu nsem a ekoso say about this Galamsey ni you say one mo pa na shitire say na ye di anu aka binfo shitire media fire yo mo wa kasa ni ehu nkofo a shitire na say aban enokre onu nsa enhye a or the sam nkofo ebe mo face the law of this country ebe me the pa say na ye chi nkofo a omuka maame Aisha wan yechi yetuma jeli omu nina nkofo ye kochi omu Aisha wan ase eno omu de ye jeli omu so Aisha wan ne nu de ono ka no ye perpetrator penyin no onu de ogusu kokot ba nso omu ye workers ne de say omu ni buafo ne kama fonti ya chi omu e de akozu prison omu de omu akogu prison na ebusuafo eziwa o enkwawie ye na de wan say ena no pay yenke bi nhye na aba out say ya posti na we crowd make of oh my god page na till Bwaumia needs $200,000 appearance fee to avail himself and offer support for investors. Charles Edupoi. This was a high-level meeting that took place in a hotel in Dubai between the Tiger Eye team who posed as investors and Charles Edupoi. Now, investigation and the Ghana for of me say edwuma bi a oye bia and dem sere onyamre na kohwe video yi bi emo obi mbeka story ni nkyira wo nyamre na kopu wo man ai na issue na actually say Tiger Eye for investigation on we omo pose as investors they went to do allegedly because video ni nyamba allegedly a debate hint ever say Charles Edupoi na oye just deputy finance minister edema the economic finance committee no ono okoshia sankofo yi e wo Dubai so omo be investment e wo Ghana na Tiger Eye for no ma pose as this investors no mo hwe mo so Bwaumia so ye kan okre wono so aka economic chair for no okay economic finance committee ho into ono so since we vice president sana mane e actually he will be part of the finance committee senate emrebi pakwese free Miss Ata ono so pakwese Miss Ata ono can onye ni baby come no so ka finance community on because they give ideologies about what the economy should go. Now when Charles Edupoi allegedly yet say Tiger Eye video never ban or won't be no omo kwa this show at meeting e wo Dubai no na the woman actually say Charles Edupoi catch investors he say Bwaumia no ebe nya 200,000 commission ansana obema obe offer support ama sa investors yi aba Ghana abaye ejuma ena akofo ka say sa we ni na be koso won say meaning this is making us to crave to what they show because okay announce me ya 12 expose na edu baby e be ka say edu baby hu say man peni kra wo mu bi ena man ko trigger akofo say ankwaso ye ko hwe na kwesi nyantechi na asem atwemu de na nso aba won de ye beka o kire say akofo do hye ne kotopom ni enim say etimi chi president hye kotopom da na ntechi ne ma ye hu ye obetuma so wo mu ni na at all cost nti we na Charles edu boy ye kan ena nkofo ka say nkofo e de ye ka so mu no mu di Ghana sikeni na no kuro nti Charles edu boy ye we ni na ekoba mu say Bwaumia eka ho bi no ehon na nkofo social media platforms so ye nwa be ma o ye journalist efe no nana jantoa otumu so wadum efe o say oba post on Facebook o say $500 million, but I want 20% as my commission. This is $100 million. God is good. And we hashtag Galamsey economy. It just say Sika investors now come back is costing almost about $500 million. Now 20% commission and when you're almost about $100 million. Hey, Saska when you have a consent for to Kumu, a costume put to come and provide them. Actually, now we and I have Bwaumia D a woman and a Bwaumia statement. A bit too abundant and what you say. My attention has been drawn to a video by Anas, as posted on his social media handle, showing the Minister of State for Finance, Mr. Charles Edubwine, apparently using my name inter alia to peddle influence and collect money from supposed investors. I would like to state that if what the minister is alleged to have said is accurately captured in the video, then this position as a Minister of State is unattainable. He should be dismissed summarily and investigated. I am not aware of any such meeting held by Minister Edubwine or supposed appearance fee. My most cherished asset in life is my integrity, and I will not allow anyone to use my name to engage in corrupt activity. Sema Bwaumia elebeto one any. Na Bwaumia say, my betty say, video be a dream tree and video be a dream tree say, you Charles Edubwine. Ewo video bi mu a o ka se menu me ya 20% commission and sana mama investors bi abagana says video ye koso ye nokura and the Charles Edubwine ye bo ni din say nokura that minister must withdraw from his position as a minister and I some funny investigation ni who said your account video no nokre and I say enye nokre no die abrabom away the politics background any position holding the integrity and when yana papa na say the integrity better na share there be this must be well taken because buni the integrity ye pa and he will not be involved in or engage himself in any corrupt activities. Ebusuanfo we chire wadwen e share or comment misero say na ensem waba betie me church mu chire ono so now the notification button na the article and then the first day o friend so subscribe ma me na me subscribers no I na share video no so ye den e ma me I na me sa I catch up we no be bisa say Bwaumia, are you still talking about integrity? One minute we can say are you still talking about integrity? Do you still think you have integrity in the eyes of Ghanaians? Well, I do not want to talk much. Time surely tell. Xposed. Me am did you me a problem in the limo. Eli can kwame amena. Obet me afrem efokin. That's in the decision macro. Bye bye.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa ede abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda